Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. We got Shaz back in the building again with an awesome creation for 2019. This guy is getting down already. Now, the name of this watch face is called Dot Matrix Pro. It's a great look for a digital watch face. I love the color combination of this one, and we're giving him 3 thumbs up in the door for the creation of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice, simple digital look. But when the watch face is on, the color theme and the layout of this watch face looks awesome. Now, you're going to get a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch if you look to the right. And at the top, you will get the day of the week, your date. You come down to the bottom, you will get your step status info. And I like the way they're separated. It's not all over the place. And also, you're going to get your heart rate information, floors climb, step info, and yes, people, the watch face is interactive. So if I tap on the 31st, I can go in and set a favorite if I tap on it, right? And I can also do the same thing if I tap on 2018. If I tap on the 1, I'll be able to set an alarm. If I tap right here on the 31, I can go in and check my weather information, which is definitely important. Same thing for the heart rate. And if you want to go in and get your step status, it's here waiting for you, people. Stress, heart rate information, calories burned, floors climb, things of that nature. And what I love most about this watch face is the battery info. Now, this is different. Now, as your battery deplete, you start to lose the little bitty dots. I thought that was a good look. And add some character to this watch face, which is really nice. And if I double tap at the bottom, I can customize the color theme of this watch face. I love that already. I could do the same thing here if I tap in the middle, and I could cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. My man got down on this one. He got down on this one. Question is, at the end of the day, people, what do you think? All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.